Polyurethane machines are manufactured only at few places all over the world, and I can say that Twin has made it possible for the Indian market. We started polyurethane manufacturing in Pune, looking at the requirement of polyurethane as polyurethane springs in sheet metal. So we manufactured small components in polyurethane. We started making by hand. Today we are making almost about 350 types of wheels in our company. We are exporting almost about 30% of our production. We are exporting mainly to Australia. Many of the components are exported indirectly by our other customers in India. We are today making almost 120 kilos of polyurethane components every day. Now we want to expand further and increase our capacity as the demand is increasing. During one of the visits in exhibitions in Delhi, I came across dispensing machines for some different chemicals at Twin Engineering's stall, and I met Mr. Balwankar there. I just mentioned to him that I am into polyurethane and I would like to do some dispensing, and I explained my process to him. He said, "Why don't we try that?" And I was really happy to say that Mr. Balwankar developed that machine for me within a year or two. So I have now today 2 machines from Twin Engineering, and I am doing production of about 120 kilos every day. While doing hand casting, there is a lot of material wastage, as well as the mixing of material is not 100%. It is not consistent also. The components are made, there is a human error into it, so components are made with a lot of human errors, and every component has got a different parameters. To get proper consistency, these machines are being used, and one machine output we will have to employ 5 or 6 operators. So we have saved on our labor and quality also. Quality has improved a lot due to these machines. With this improvement in the quality and quantity, we could offer bigger components and bigger quantities to our customers, and on that basis we could bag more orders. Basically for export purpose also we could get these orders. Our foreign customers, they look at the machine, they look at our product, and they are happy with it for quality and quantity. This reflects on the profitability also, because there is a lot of saving in terms of labor as well as material and time. After association with Twin Engineering, they have given us very good service, and any development or changes they make in their designs, they immediately come to me and incorporate in my machine. So that gives me a very good advantage. These machines are as good as, or maybe little better than the imported ones that are already in use in India.